for Kisumu Central, Honorable Hassan Omar Mwinyi, Member for Parliament for Changamwe, Mheshimiwa Rosa Buyu, Kisumu West, Aduma War, Nyakach, then the Senator of Homa Bay, Mheshimiwa Kajwang, Kibra, Member of Parliament, Mwalimu Orero, Mheshimiwa Ivo Bara, Kabondo constituency, the Woman Rep of Kisumu City, Honorable Ruto Odinga, nominated Mheshimiwa Senator Beatrice, the MP for Butere, Mheshimiwa Tindi Mwale, the Woman Rep for Mombasa County, Mheshimiwa Zamzam, Senator Mombasa, Mheshimiwa Faki, and Mheshimiwa Berzimba, the MP for Kisauni. Then we have the Member of Parliament for Lugari, Mheshimiwa Nabi. Then we have the Senator of the City of Nairobi, our Secretary General, Mheshimiwa Senator Edwin Sifuna. I think those are the members who have come today here to see for themselves what is happening in Kisumu. You know, there are very few marinas in Africa. This will be one of them. There's one in Mombasa, Mheshimiwa Shabal, the one English Point Marina. I didn't know until now why is it called Marina, until I went one day and I saw the bar is inside the ocean. That's when I was told that's why it's a marina. And secondly, listening to Honorable Abalawanga. After this marina is finished, we will call for a conference in Migori so that we discuss how to turn Migori from one street city to Kisumu city, because we have only one road ambaye punda anatumia, baiskeli anatumia, pikipiki anatumia, gari anatumia na kila kitu inatumia. Ya mwisho, Kisumu city has done a wonderful job. And I overheard in Parliament that they're saying they want to shift Parliament to another city. I don't know, is it because of the Mandamano that people come there every time? I saw them discussing the other day. So I will tell them, if you want to go to somewhere else, come to Kisumu. They should shift Parliament, because in South Africa, the government sits in Pretoria and Parliament sits in Cape Town. So this can be our Cape Town. They can bring Parliament here, and I'm proposing that to the majority leader so that he can come here and affirm that the people of Kiambu will be able to come and do their parliamentary business here. Mheshimiwa majority leader, karibu sana. Kuja usalimie wananchi.
Your Excellency Prime Minister,